This skill module covers structural interpretation techniques and concepts at the core knowledge level. This section discusses why this topic is important. Structural interpretations form the backbone for understanding fundamental inputs necessary to evaluate hydrocarbon resources such as trap extent. Without a clear understanding of subsurface structures, wells would be drilled in incorrect locations that may not access hydrocarbon traps, or drilled in different fault blocks that don't access the same reservoirs, fluids, or source rocks. Furthermore, the present-day structure allows one to understand fluid flow paths for hydrocarbon migration pathways and how they evolve through time via insight from sequential structural restorations. This is a critical input for basin modeling. A viable, restorable structural interpretation also forms the backbone to interpret depositional patterns. Without it, one would lose the context for understanding of the structural controls on stratigraphic patterns, such as thinning on top of anticlines or growth strata in synclines due to salt withdrawal or adjacent to faults.